Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Bahruddin bin Muhammad Zangi from Mechanical Department, Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah. This video we explain the injection molding operation.
Generally speaking, the injection molding machine is used to produce mass production of plastic part, where the end product shape is determined by its mold.
The first step is to run the machine. We need to know the safety procedure before we operate the machine. The safety procedure before, during and after operation. First, keep the injection molding machine and its surrounding environment clean. Second, make sure the space around the injection molding machine should be kept as smooth as possible. After adding the lubrication oil, the leak oil should be wiped as soon as possible. Examine to see if the injection molding machine, ground wire and other wiring are firmly linked. And finally, before starting the injection molding machine, double check that the mold is securely attached to the movable platen and the injection molding machine. During operation, first make sure the emergency button is pressed on the safety door is open while machine is running. Second, never remove the molten material leaked by the hand when the shooting table is moved forward to avoid the handle becoming wedged between the shooting table and the mold. Third, to clean the barrel, set the nozzle temperature to highest setting possible to maintain the nozzle clear. And finally, do not leave heat-sensitive or corrosive plastic in the barrel for extended period of time. After operation, first, make sure to turn off all the machine switch before left. Second, the material should be never left in the mold. Remove parts and screw. Thirdly, please ensure all the doors of the machine completely closed. Procedure of injection molding operation. First, switch on the main switch of the machine. Second, after turning on the main switch, turn on the switch on the side of the machine, which consists of isolating switch, power transformer and inlet power source. Thirdly, press the operating power switch button on the main panel. When the light is turned on, it means that the machine is turned on. The fourth step is press the motor power switch. The function of the switch is to make sure that the engine motor is turned on. The fifth process is press the heating power button to heat up the barrel and nozzle. The sixth process, after heating power is turned on, we should wait until the temperature reaches the specific temperature. If the temperature did not reach the minimum temperature, the machine will be not run. When the temperature reaches the minimum, the machine can be operated as per program. After that, press the screw motor switch to start operation for screw rotation and metering. Use this button to perform screw rotation and metering on the manual control. And finally, press semi-auto mode button when to use the semi-auto mode. Meanwhile, the operator can use the full auto mode button when to use the full auto mode.